Good morning and welcome to our vision workshop.
The master plan is us, it is written by us, it is agreed by us, and I think a good master plan is a master plan which we all feel ownership for.
We have 9 months to come up with a very good proposal for updating the master plan. Right now everything is possible. This is a moment where there is no bad idea. Enjoy every minute of this workshop.
I really like the collaborative spirit, the fact that you could really see the enthusiasm of people to really get something done, to define the vision.
People enjoyed the work in the working groups.
The most important thing that we wanted to reach was that the people get to know each other. So it was not about the topics they discussed, but bringing them together as a group.
This workshop, a great experience, a brilliant experience, new methodology, new approach, and I think the first step for a real great master plan.
They're really co-creating content, at least as a vision, and now of course the big task will be to roll it out, to define it, to continue working on it.
In all honesty, I'm blown away. Many good ideas, and many of which we can actually take forward. So impressed.